Hello guys, this is Arkneil Gaming, and in this video we'll be getting Alpha's collector skin. You can also get Veils and 1-1's collector skin, but I'm not a 1-1 or a Veil user. So let's get Mecha King purchase of Alpha. A super reward is guaranteed in this draw, so I'm sure to get it.
Of myth and machine.
This looks like from Sparta, inspired skin. I remember the 300 movie. If you want to see more Alpha gameplay using this game, keep on tuning in.